A blank Honeywell thermostat screen indicates a malfunction where the display is not working. Common causes of this issue include dead batteries and wiring problems. To resolve the problem, start by replacing the dead batteries. Remove the thermostat's faceplate from the wall. Take off the battery cover. Remove the old batteries and install new ones. Once the new batteries are in place, snap the battery cover back on and reattach the faceplate to the backplate. If the issue persists, check the thermostat's wiring by tripping the circuit breaker, removing the faceplate, and verifying that the wire colors match the labels on the thermostat. Ensure all connections are secure and replace any damaged wires or consult an electrician if necessary. After addressing any wiring issues, restore power to the thermostat and check if the problem has been resolved.